Kenya na muno the Kikuyu nation has been thrown into painful mourning makiyumiria na njira nene muno gucakaya mundu wa mwanya na wabata muno urikitie kuhuruka in the Kikuyu community na ona nginya atongoria matiganite matongoretio ni DP Rigathi Gachagua nimeyumiritie na njira nene muno expressing their sorrow after this heavy loss to the Kikuyu nation. No bereo tukiumiriria na gukorwo tukiendithiria kuona kwa ihenya kuri Bishop JJ uria last weekend riria marari na igongona inene muno at Dumberi Stadium na kanitha wake wa Priesthood alongside Reverend Mwangi Zakayo. Bishop JJ niaronekanire kuguru gwake kumwe nitagwikuniku na oho aracoka kuingira nenda-ini yake kuria onanitie that indeed one of his legs may have suffered an injury, na although ndanakorwo agitarire kana gukorwo agithathaura what happened to him, mafans aria maragitigirwo me very concerned nimeyumiritie na njira nene muno kumuhoera kuhona kwa na ihenya. Na ona thutha ucio muthoni wa Kiruba Baby Top live on air niarakorirwo akiaria ndeto ino kuria arakorirwo akiuga na kumbura Bishop JJ ni guthituka thitukite kuguru na mafans maikigwa macokwo ni thayo knowing that it was not a major injury kana ona mutino urahanikire Bishop JJ asha no guthituka thitukite kuguru na makimwendithiria kuhona kwa na ihenya. And we send our best wishes to Bishop JJ, quick recovery to him. Na rikurege kugetigite Kikuyu nation in deep mourning kuria muthenya wa umuthi a great hero, a great legend in Kikuyu nation is being laid to rest. Uyu ari muthamaki uria ukoragwo utongoretie na kurugamirira kiama Charles Kariuki Kafoi has sadly passed away. He was the highest ranking elder in kiama kiria otorio kiogano gikorwo toy wega. It's the highest honor in Kikuyu tradition. Na ona nginya anakorwo agitugwo na ngerenwa ya head of state commendation kuri mwaka wa 2022 na ni mundu urari na legacy muno guko bururi-ini, but sadly he is no more. Na muthenya wa umuthi niguo ekuhurukagio in Nyeri County kuria in attendance DP Rigathi Gachagua amongst many other leaders. Kikuyu leaders nimeyumiritie na njira nene muno paying their last respects and honoring Mzee Charles Kariuki Kafoi. Sunrise 1st July 1943 and sunset 22nd July 2024. Arohuruka thayo and Kikuyu nation has lost a great man. Gayaro mweke uroko kiega.